So, you want to start a personal brand in 2025. That's awesome. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just somebody looking to make an impact online, building a strong personal brand is the key to standing out in today's digital world. But where do you even start? Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to break down all of the step-by-steps that you need to do to create a personal brand that attracts opportunities, grow your influence, and helps you stand out online. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Before you start posting content everywhere, you need to define your brand's identity. This is the foundation of everything you do. So I want you to ask yourself these three questions. What do I want to be known for? Who is my audience? And what are my core values? Your personal brand should be an authentic representation of you, but it also needs to be clear and focused. You don't want to be all over the place. Pick a niche, identify your strengths, and craft a personal mission statement. For example, if you're a digital marketing expert, your brand might be all about sharing the latest trends, case studies, and actionable steps. If you're a fitness coach, maybe your focus is on sustainable fitness routines for busy professionals. The key here is clarity, because if you're confused about your brand, your audience will be too. Now that you know your brand's identity, the next step is choosing your platform. And let me tell you, you do not need to be on every single platform. Instead, pick the ones that make the most sense for you. For example, Instagram and TikTok are best for short-form content and personal storytelling. YouTube is great for long-form content and building authority. LinkedIn, best for professional branding and B2B connections. X and Threads, ideal for thought leadership and industry discussion. Then your personal website acts as your online HQ and portfolio. If you're a visual creator, Instagram and TikTok might be your go-to. If you want to establish yourself as an industry leader, focus on LinkedIn and YouTube. And no matter what, have a personal website where people can find everything about you in one place. Now, let's talk about how your brand looks and sounds. Your visual and messaging style should be consistent across all platforms. This includes your colors, fonts, logos, and the way you communicate. For example, choose a color palette and stick to it. Use the same font and style across all platforms. Keep your bio and tagline consistent. Define your brand's voice, whether you want to be casual, professional, or inspirational. At the end of the day, branding isn't just about aesthetics. It's about the voice too. Are you formal and professional, fun and casual, or a mix of both? The goal is to make sure people instantly recognize your brand, no matter where they see you. Now, this is where the magic happens, your content strategy. And here's the deal. If you want to build a personal brand, you need to create content consistently. But you also need a system so you don't burn out. So here's the best approach. The first step is pillar content. Long-form content like YouTube videos, blogs, or LinkedIn posts. The next step is micro content. Repurpose pillar content into short clips, tweets, or Instagram posts. And then the third step is engagement strategy. Interact with your audience, join conversations, provide value. For example, let's say you create a 10-minute YouTube video. Instead of stopping there, you can break it down into 5 to 6 short clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts. Then, pull out the key takeaway for LinkedIn or Twitter posts. Work smarter, not harder. Okay, so now you're creating content, but how do you actually grow your audience? The key is engagement. For example, be consistent, posting 3 to 5 times a week. Use storytelling to connect with your audience, engage with others in your industry, collaborate with other creators, and stay on top of the trends. At the end of the day, growth doesn't happen overnight. The key is consistency, engagement, and storytelling. Share your journey, show the behind the scenes content, and always provide value. Once you start growing, it's time to monetize. And trust me, there are so many ways to turn your personal brand into a business. For example, you can do coaching or consulting, digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, affiliate marketing, sponsorships or brand deals, and or services like freelancing and speaking gigs. If you build trust with your audience, monetization becomes easy. People want to buy from those that they trust. So whether you offer coaching, digital products, or brand deals, make sure you're providing real value. Here's the important thing to remember. Your personal brand is a long-term game. It's not about going viral overnight. It's about building a strong foundation and staying consistent. So keep learning, keep evolving, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. Authenticity is what makes people connect with you. So don't just try to be someone you're not. Be who you are. The right audience will find you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your personal brand in 2025. Now I want to hear from you. What's your personal brand about? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the future videos that I have. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, let your light shine bright.